Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th, okay, mathematics chapter 5. Okay, so this is our chapter 5, quadratic equation, exercise 5.2, and in this video we are going to talk about solutions, right? And this video is especially for Telangana State Board. Okay, so let's see this one. So actually when you open your exercise, this one, that's 5.2, you will get this first question here: find the root of the following quadratic equation for s. Okay, and you will get your first question here. Okay, so when you open this one, that's our first question here. Okay, this is the first question, and actually in the first question there is a total 9 question is given, from 1 to 9 question is given, and that's your first question. Okay, this is a question number A. We will if it is clear this is your answer, then we will see the question number 2. Question number 1 only, but B bit is there. This is a question number 1 and this is a B bit. Okay, here you can see this is second one. Okay, 2x plus x minus 3 minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, and that's the answer. Okay, right. So if it is clear, then you can see the question number 1, option C, that's your question number 3. Okay, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Okay, well, so if it is clear, then this is the only, that's one only, and this is your question number 1, D, that means that's the fourth one. Okay, and that's the answer. So, and here you can see that's your question number 1E. E means like you can say it's a fifth one, right? Here it is your fifth one. All right, and that's the answer. Okay, and then after here you can see the question number 1, F. F means that's the sixth one here. Okay, x into x plus 4y equals to 12, right? See the answer here, and actually I'm sorry. Okay, and here you can see the G1 here. I'm sorry, here that's the G1. Okay, G1 means that's the seventh one. Okay, now don't be confused. Then here you can see G, it's the H1. Okay, that means it is eighth one, and that's the answer of eighth. This is the first bit only, first bit question answer. Okay, and here you can see this is a question 1, that's the last question, ninth one. Okay, now 3x minus 4 equals to 5. You can match with your textbook. If you have a doubt like it is not same and something different, then you can match with your textbook, right? So if it is clear, then we will move to the next question. That's our second question. Okay, so you can say this is your second question: find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 128. Okay, sum is 27 and product is 28. Okay, now so let's find out the answer. This is questions given, and that's the answer. Okay, and here you can see this is the answer of that one. Okay, right. So if it is clear, then you can see this one. Okay, and if it is clear, then you can see the question number 3: find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 613, and that's the answer here. Let the two consecutive number integer xx and x plus 1. Okay, right. If it is clear for you, then you can see the question number 4. Okay, so here question number 4 is that the altitude of a right angle is 7 cm less its base. If hypotenuse is a 13 cm, find the other two sides. That's the answer. Okay, now this is the diagram. It is not given, this diagram is not given. Okay, this diagram is not given in your textbook, but it is in the answer sheet. Okay, when you're writing this answer, you have to show this diagram to understand this more better. Okay, now so you can see, right? Okay, so if it is complete, then you can see the question number 5. So actually question number 5 is something longer. The quantities of the industry product certain number. So this is your question number 5, and that's the answer. Okay, right. So let's see this next one here. Okay, and if it is clear, then you can see the question number 6. Find the dimensions of the rectangle whose perimeter is 28 centimeter and whose area is 14 square meters, and that's the answer, right? All right, so we can see the next one here. So here already it's given length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter, right? And then it's your question number 7, right? So that's your question number 7. The base of a triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the altitude. If the area of the triangle is 40 square centimeter, then find its the base and altitude. That's your answer, right? Okay, so don't be confused anywhere. Okay, and here you can see that your question number 8. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards west and the second train towards north. The first train travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. If the 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart, find the average speed of each train. Okay, and that's your answer. Okay, na? Right. So if it is clear, then you can see this one. Also given that the AB equals to 50 kilometers, right? Okay, and if it is clear, then your question number 9 is ready here. So let's see the question. In the case of 16 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of a girls, and each girls contributed rupees equal to the number of boys. If the total money is collected was 1600, how many boys are there in all the in the class? Okay, that's your answer. Let the number of girls x and y. Given total number is 1060, x y equals to x plus y equals 60, y equals to minus 60. Total money is collected that much, and here you can see according to the given question 600xy plus yx equals to 2xy. Okay, and when you divide 800, so x minus 60 minus 1, that's okay, actually that's your answer. Actually I can explain this one also, but if I explain this, then it's take a lots of time. Okay, so here it is the directly answer, you can see, right? So let's see the question number 10. So the question number 10 is a motorboat heads. Okay, so you have to read this question. You can, this is the same. Okay, 25 centimeter river and 3 kilometers hour, 6 hours take 6 hours, and I'm sorry, so what was the speed? Okay, so that's your answer. Okay, so if it is clear, then you can go through this one. Okay, right. So actually your exercise, that's our exercise 5.2 is totally completed here only. Whatever in this exercise, everything is completed. In the next video we are going to talk about exercise 5.3. okay, so I hope everything is clear here, and we will meet another video. Jai Hind.